The police have held 3 men they believe are the main players in the illegal meat trade in the island. The men were held by detectives attached to the Pradial Larceny Unit on Monday and Tuesday. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
The men who were arrested have not been named, but the police say they held them on Monday in the Waltham Park Road area with meat weighing over 1,000 pounds. The police say intelligence led them to the area. The Public Health Department was called in to assess which animal the meat was from.
We seized 10 bags of what we believe to be beef. However, we cannot determine specifically at this point if it is actually beef. Neither can the public health personnel at this point. However, the meat was inspected. It was deemed unfit for human consumption by the Kingston and St. Andrew public health personnel.
The meat was disposed of by public health officials. The police say it was being prepared for sale. They have this warning for the public.
I'm using this opportunity again to say to the public, ensure that when you purchase meat, you purchase from reputable sources. As a matter of fact, not only meat, but any sort of agricultural produce.
The police say they are continuing the investigation to determine the source of the meat and the different distribution points. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.